So in this video, we are going to find the unique properties in our array of objects. Whatever the duplicates uh, properties we have, we are going to remove that. Let's read what is the problem here first. You are given an array of objects representing users. Each object has properties, ID, name, and email. Some users may have a duplicates email addresses. So write a program to remove the duplicates users based on the email property and return a new array containing only unique users. So we got to know what we are going to do here. You almost have the idea. So this is the set of, yeah, we have a bunch of users which are stored in user array. We have ID property, name, email. So there might be some duplicate data in this user's ID. Suppose we are going to check email address. Some users may have duplicate email. So we are checking their properties by emails. Some has same email IDs, so which we want to remove that from these users, and we want to get just a unique users in this array. So let's find out how we are going to do it. So our first step should be to create a unique users. So our all the unique users should be stored in this array. So I have created one array named as unique users. Whatever the unique users will be here, so we are going to push here. Now we have to run a loop which we need to go through every users to check if they are duplicate or not. So let's write a code of for loop. Let I is 0. I should run till the users dot length. The users these are, and I increment. So here we are going to set a value. Let is duplicate false. So first we are going to set these is duplicate value false. Now in the step 3, we are going to check if emails exist in user or not. If emails already exist in unique users. So what our nested loop will do, it will check that if that email property is already exist in this unique user or not. So we need to write again a nested loop. So this loop will work for this unique user to check if in this array if we have that element or not. So let's check. if user dot sorry index of I dot user. So if this condition passes, so what this condition does, it checks the element from this users. It takes one element, suppose I is 0, so in our first index we have this user ID, name and email. So it is taking all of this data and checking if this email, its email is equal to triple equal to, means it is checking the data type as well and the value as well. It is checking, sorry, mistake I have done this here, that we need to take different value here. So it is checking that in this unique user we have that email or not. If whatever the email we are putting here, it is equal to or not. So if it is, so our is duplicate value should be true, and if it finds true, then in this inner loop it should be broken. We should go, we should break the loop and come out of the loop. A step 4 would be check if that element is exist in this unique users or not. As we have to check the value it is equal to or not, so we are setting the is duplicate value to true. So we will check if our duplicate value is false. It is still, if it is still false, then we are going to push that unique, push that element into this array. So our user, so what this piece of code is doing, it is checking that if our duplicate is still false or true. If not, duplicate it adds to unique users. So it is not duplicate, then we are adding that element to our unique users. This code works same as our push method. So we are in this whole code we are not using any method, even push pop we are not using. We are just simply creating one variable, and in that to the last index, or as the last index, in the last index our user I should be added. So it is adding our users element to the last index of unique user. That's why we are using at the unique user at the index of unique user dot length. So let's check now. If our unique user is been it's removed duplicate or not. So we are storing all the unique items to the unique user, and we are consoling here. Let's check our answer. Yes. So we have seen that we had two duplicates email here. So we removed that and we got the three unique elements here. Again, in this question, we are not using any built-in functions. We just ran one out. We just created one unique user's empty array and ran a loop, outer loop. Inside the loop, we are setting our duplicate value is duplicate as false. Let's assume that in this value that we are not have that value existing, and inside we are creating another nested loop which checks that that user index is exist in this unique user or not. So if it exists, our is duplicate will be true, that it tells that yeah it is there, and our loop should be broken. What it means, it should break, it means that we don't need to check further. If it is found that the current element is already exist in this element, in this array, so we should not check the further. After this nested loop, our, we should check that if it is false or not. If duplicate is there, then we are going to add the current element into this unique user. Otherwise, I will be increment, and again this step will be following. So yeah, we have seen that we got the unique ID.